I'm Anthousa Helena, founder and developer of Sollite, which utilizes the light of the soul for integrated, balanced health and conscious awakening. My true life's passion is to heal the illusion of separation and bring us back into unity consciousness, individually and globally. Do you ever feel trapped, frustrated, feeling like everything you do just doesn't work? Want to have more peace and happiness in your life? Want to feel strong and powerful and manifest your dreams, everything that you've ever wanted? It's all up to you. For 37 years, I've helped thousands of souls to alleviate pain and suffering within their physical being, their mental, emotional being, or their spiritual realms. I believe that our sole purpose is to discover the truth of who we are. In our soul is our truth. Begin to know the truth of who you are and be that in the world. It is only when we truly live our authentic self that we experience fulfillment, passion, liberation, and happiness in our lives. It brings me joy to assist you in your journey of self-discovery as a skilled and trained medical intuitive and a master energy healer. You do not need to be present in the same location to experience this process. Come with me on a journey of self-discovery and become a new creation. Contact me today.